Do you guys need a high flow, universal yet tiny blow-off valve? This is the TurboSmart RallySport blow-off valve. What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here bringing you another episode of What's in the Box. Today we've got the TurboSmart Universal RallySport blow-off valve. Now this is their newest edition of their small, compact RallySport blow-off valve. So let's just go ahead and take everything out of the box here and let's see what it comes with. So of course it comes very well packaged with some nice foam insulation to help keep it nice during shipping. But this is it. This incredibly compact blow-off valve can flow over 330 CFM, which is incredible and very important, especially if you're running, larger turbos. You need to get that boost out of the charge system immediately, and that's exactly what this is going to do. Almost zero restriction out of this, so you can run this on even very high horsepower applications without a problem. One of my favorite things about this, though, is their V-band design. With basically the self-retaining lock nut there, so you don't have to have two hands to get this installed. You literally just slip the V-band over, slide in the bolt, and start screwing it down, and you are good to go. And of course, it does have an O-ring to help seal. Let me see if I can pull that out. Maybe I shouldn't, but we're gonna try. Here we go. Come on out, little guy. Nice, high-quality O-ring to promote a good seal. To prevent any boost leaks or anything like that. And of course it does come with all the fittings and everything you're going to need to install it. This will bolt onto most aftermarket turbo kits. They're like, oh, it utilizes a V-band clamp for like a tile or something like that. This one will fit as well. TurboSmart has done a bang-up job in designing and engineering and manufacturing this. And of course you have a bunch of different springs that you can put in here to adjust the actual tension inside, just depending on maybe you're running, like a high compression or a low compression type build. You have either a lot of vacuum or a little vacuum inside the engine. You can actually basically tune this valve essentially to really dial it in for your particular setup. And it does come with a little CD with instructions, but chances are you're not going to need this, and everything you can find on here, you can find on TurboSmart's website, which is nice, and a sweet TurboSmart sticker. Don't be smart, be TurboSmart. TurboSmart can pay me $1 for that. But this is really an incredible little blow-off valve. If you've got an aftermarket turbo kit, a little bit more universal, you can't utilize a factory blow-off valve, and you need something that's incredibly high quality, can withstand, ridiculously high temperatures and just about any abuse you can throw at it. These TurboSmart RallySport blow-off valves are absolutely fantastic. Check it out. That's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for checking out What's in the Box. See you guys next time.